Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to split screen on iPhone. To split screen, press on application logo and select Open in split screen view. After that, search the another application, for example WhatsApp, select it, and we have the split screen view. But there is one problem. It's an Android phone. Unfortunately, the iPhone doesn't have this feature by default, but there is something we can do. This time we take an iPhone, open the App Store and search Split Screen application. Install any application. I will use Split Screen, this application, install it, and next open application. Allow split screen to track your activity. Allow. Press and hold to start dragging the split screen. Press and hold, and we are at the split screen view. But instead of native applications, we can use web versions of applications. How it works? Select application from the list or type an URL. For example, youtube.com. Go, and we are at the web version of YouTube. We can sign in our account and use application. And the second application, for example, wikipedia.org. Go, and we can use two applications in split screen view. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, see you next time.